Super Easy Drawings channel. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute mouse. At first I draw his nose, then his eyes. His smiling mouth, then the shape of his head. He has two big rounded shape ears. Now let's draw his body, his arms, then his legs, finally his long tail. I finished the drawing part with some grass here. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I use red for his tongue, then light red for the rest of his mouth. I color his eyes blue. I use this gray marker for his skin. I color the inner part of his ears pink. I color the grass green. And I add some light blue into the background. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.